So I was here long, maybe about a week or two here, catching a nice move. Peaked up, made some new highs, well, recent highs on Friday. Right now we have a small drop, but we'll see how that goes. All I'm doing at this point is just moving my stops up and letting the move play out. What's up, HTA fam? This is Glenn and Reed here from YE Trading Academy, coming at you live for a Trading Weekly watch list on this wonderful Sunday. Well, it's the date 11/28, 20th, last few days of November, and we're gonna be heading into the wonderful Christmas month, December. The trading don't stop though,
Yeah,
you
no.
know. Trading don't stop. Might be a little bit light, but we'll see. But depending on last week's action was kind of bonkers, man. Market tanked. Well, not tanked, but it dropped quite a bit, few percent. Something to look out for as we go into this new week of trading. Let me go start off with sharing my screen. So let's look at the NASDAQ first. I'm in this market currently. What I did like, so we hit a new high. This is a daily chart. We hit a new high back on the 22nd, and price rejected quite a bit. So we peaked at 16,767, hit a low of 15,980. So almost 1,000 points. Today we did have a nice opening. If I could zoom in maybe to a 15-minute chart. I don't know if it shows. Some other charts are showing there's a gap up on here. Well, but they're showing that there's quite a bit of bullish momentum starting to build up here. So we'll see how that goes, how it unfolds when the trading day opens tomorrow, Monday. NASDAQ. Since we are recovering from this drop, I'm trying not to stay too aggressive here. Stay a little light on the sizing, because you never know if the bears can continue to just topple the bulls and take over. If we do break this line of 15,900, then anticipated to continue in downward position. We'll see how that goes. So let's look at the S&P. It's going to be showing a similar price action here on the S&P. Not as much of a drop as the NASDAQ, but we peaked at 4,700 and made a low of 45.75. So that's almost 200 points there. But after this strong bear bar, we gapped up. Well, you can see a small gap up here. So gap up, for those who aren't familiar, is just showing that, even though price closed, we closed on Friday at 45.78, but on today when the market opened, we opened up a little bit higher, 10 points higher. So the gap up situation, the way I kind of play off of that is I see maybe momentum, or momentum in that direction of the gap. So play that a little bit, see how that goes. Let's look at gold. This one has been a little choppy, as you can see here. It popped up, then it dropped all the way back down, lost the gains from that beginning of the month. Now we got these long wicks, so it's tricky. But it is making higher highs on the wicks here. We'll see if it recovers from the drop. Let's look at some FOREX pairs. Euro USD. Where is this guy? Okay, so Euro USD. I was short a little over 2 weeks, and I was able to pick up some nice profit here. And on Friday I was taken out because of this nice long green bar, hit my trailing stop, and I saw what I saw from this bar was okay, momentum. The wind has shifted direction. You turn your sails, guys. Turn the sails. So I'm opening up positions to go long in anticipation of a reversal. Who knows? Who knows? The Bears could be just playing games. Maybe someone just wanted to close out some positions and take some profit. We'll see how that goes. So I'm flipping my position to go long there. Pound Kiwi. I am still in long here. So I was here long, maybe about a week or two here, catching a nice move. Peaked up, made some new highs, well, recent highs on Friday. Right now we have a small drop, but we'll see how that goes. All I'm doing at this point is just moving my stops up and letting the move play out. I haven't heard anything on the crypto side this weekend. I don't know about you, Reed. Let's look at Bitcoin.
Coming back.
Yeah, we hit that high. Got made a low of 53,000. It was at a $16,000 drop. But you know, volatility is crypto's middle name, bruh. So, let's see how that plays. I'm on the sidelines. I don't see much. You know, I mean, I do have long term holds with Bitcoin and Ethereum, so like a long-term hold there. As far as that, I think that is all. A lot of the forex pairs are shaping up to make some moves here, so be on standby. I know Reed got a bunch of good ones here, so I'll pass it over to him.
All right, nice. Yeah, so stocks did take a. Let me just begin to share my screen, but yeah, I wanted to just go off of what Glenn was saying. Stocks took a dump this end of Friday. I believe I read somewhere that it was the worst Black Friday day in the stock market in like years. Don't quote me on the date, but it's been a while since we've had such a bearish market on Black Friday. So that being said, Forex is just lining up to be real beautiful. Can you see my screen? This
Yeah,
one?
yeah, you're
All
good.
right, cool. So I'm looking at all these flagged positions here. I'm not in any market currently. I'm just waiting for the opportunity to present itself. So odd USD, odd dollar. I'm looking for a short. We have a overall bearish run, continuing this bearish trend. Moving on to euro odd. Euro odd is in a position I'm looking to go long in. I like these major pullbacks, breaking the trends, right? So even though we were in a bearish trend, this is 4 hour on the bottom left, we began to break out, pull back, created a higher low, and now it's just skyrocketing up. And if it holds this, provides another opportunity, I'm looking for an entry on this position. Moving on to euro dollar, correlated with Australian dollar USD. Looking to go long here as well. Oh yeah, Glenn just mentioned this one as well. So it's looking nice. I'm still just waiting for a little bit more confirmation, but I am bull biased currently. Pound yen, another position I'm looking to short. So pound yen short, like it. So a lot of these pairs are just, they're correlated. The whole market just moved massively on Friday. For, for pound dollar, I'm just waiting for this to play out. I'm kind of indecisive right now about this one. It could either reject and continue upward and create a lower high for another move down, or it just could continue break down of this descending channel to a lower market price. Moving on to another yen pair. This is short. I'm liking this bearish momentum taking over. It's creating lower lows, and not only lower lows, just it has a lot of bearish momentum. Strong bearish close on Friday, so I'm liking that. Dollar CAD, another position I'm looking for long. So overall, this position is probably going to be one of my top ones that I'm looking at this week. Even though I flagged all these, I'm going to pay particularly close attention to USD CAD. I'm liking how it's breaking out of this overall descending channel. I'm just going to draw some lines in here just to break it down a little bit more. So we had a bear trend here. Bear trend broke out, did a pullback, created a lower high, or a higher low rather, and then a double top here just to continue on above EMA, strong bullish momentum. So I'm looking to go long here. And finally, dollar yen. I am looking to enter short on this market, but still want to just let the price play out. I have a lot of correlated pairs here with the dollar, with the yen. So I'm just, these are a lot of positions that are available. Will I take every single one of these? No, I'm going to take the most risk to the reward ratio probability that's going to work out to the more profit, basically. Other than that, let's see. I'm not really paying attention to any stocks. Stock market got rocked, as we mentioned. So I'm just gonna let price settle there. As far as crypto, same as Glenn. I'm bull bias on this. Got bull position or long-term hold positions on Bitcoin. As far as intraday trading, it looked like it could be presenting an opportunity, but always be wary. Flag of warning with any crypto, very volatile. It could be showing this bullish momentum only to just drop one more time. So who knows what'll happen? But that's what we have. That's what we're looking at. Crypto's looking nice. Other than that, that's it for me, Glenn.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Want to see how those pairs play out this week, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. As far as that, we've been putting on this weekly watch list for you guys for a bunch. If you haven't joined our email list to get the actual pairs, join it. Feel free to hit hawaiitradingacademy.com up, hit the contact button, and enter your email, and you get signed up. Also, our private online community is still open right now. It's open enrollment for free, no strings attached. You can see all of our stuff there. Lots of good, valuable content there. We go live there as well sometimes, and we just dropped a new thing on Black Friday. Big announcement for our community members. Our trading approach course. That's going to be dedicated to the ones who are questioning if the stock market's for me, if it's really the thing that I can be successful in. We go over an entire approach. We're not just telling you where to buy, where to exit, where to sell. We're looking at this as a holistic approach. Yes, it takes work. Yes, you got to be committed to a certain point. Yes, you got to be dedicated and show up. You got to show up. So those are the things we are going to require for you to join. And that's what you got to bring to the table. We're going to bring what we bring. You bring yourself and some commitment. So feel free to hit that up there. It's on, you can DM us if you have any more questions. We can send you the link. Or if you get signed up to the email newsletter, we're going to send ways to sign up there. But as far as that, let's see, what other PSA announcements? Oh, we got some cool partnerships we're going to be launching too for you guys. So lots of things moving in this HTA universe, metaverse.
yeah, the HTA metaverse.
Yeah, but other than that, have an awesome trading week, guys. Hope you guys are fully recovered from the turkey coma. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Have a good one.